So these are the calipers for CyberTruck, and I got some covers from CyberGear. These are the caliper covers which go on the top of this caliper. So it comes with some CyberTruck decals, different color options. It has silver and some black options. You can choose which color you want. There are some small decals for the rear caliper since that's a little bit small. These are the CyberTruck. A lot of them, well, can't go wrong. I mean, there are a lot of these decals, so that's nice. We'll come back to this. This is the last step. So these are the calipers that we have. This is the left front wheel. So there are four of them. Right rear wheel. Some hardware which came along with it. Left rear wheel, and finally the front right front wheel. It's very nicely painted. I don't see any kind of blemishes. It's nice uneven finish. Comes with instructions how to install it. So it says to remove the wheel, then there are some brackets which go on the inside of the caliper, and some bracket on the outside, then how it clings on. Let's try to install this. Looks like the easy install. The main part is to lift the car. So this one goes here, this piece goes here, then you have two bolts which will get on with the yellow caliper, and then this one goes on the top to secure this caliper from this side. So this thing is secure. Looks quite. No rubbing of anything anywhere. So that's how it looks with the caliper. Let's look at how it looks without it.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run, pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truck, you'll be over it. Run, and when it's all said and done, run. You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing, I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep. You should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So